One more topic which is asked in our exam, or one more question which is generally asked in our exam, is effect of keyways on strength of shaft. So obviously the key is used to connect our shaft with pulley or gear. If this is our shaft and it transmits some torque, now we consider total diameter as a design diameter. But if there is a keyway, if there is a keyway here, because of this keyway, obviously because of the keyway, there is a stress concentration. If you just see the concentration line, the stress lines will be concentrated will concentrate here. More concentration of stresses will be there. So if this is the concentration of that stresses, then naturally that shaft may fail earlier because of stress concentration, because of fatigue. So what is the effect of this keyway? That we are going to discuss here. As keyway reduces the strength of the shaft, then we must consider somewhat lesser strength, or we must have some factors which is going to give a safe strength to our keyed shaft also, or the shaft with having keys. So there is experimentation conducted by scientist which is named as H.F. Moore. So he has conducted many experiments, and he has one shaft strength factor. So that shaft strength factor, So you must write first two lines about how that shaft strength is reduced because of the keyway, and after that you should write the name of scientist H.F. Moore. So H.F. Moore has given us one shaft strength factor. The shaft strength factor should be get multiplied with our strength of normal shaft, so that we can get the strength of with keyway shaft. Okay, so how this particular factor defines? So that factor is E, which is equal to 1 minus 0.2. Now here width of the key is important, diameter of the shaft is important, minus 1.1 height of the or thickness of that particular key and diameter. Here this W and H are the dimension here. So this is W and this is H, or T, you can say T also. So this E is equals to strength of the shaft, or the stresses that can be carried out with keyway, divided by strength of the shaft without keyway. So this gives us somewhat lesser stress. Okay, so this is the way by which we can write how we can reduce the effect of keyways. If the shaft is too long, for long shafts, again there may be possibility of there is a twist. For the long shaft there is a twisting means there may be chances that the theta angle of twist is important. If there is a twisting, then for this there is a one more factor is given, that is called as a twisting factor k theta, which is equal to 1 plus 0.4 W by D minus, sorry, plus 0.7 plus 0.7 H by D. So this is the factor that also we must consider when there is a reduction of factor for angular twist. So these are the, so if you don't write this also there is no problem, but we must write one equation here. What is that equation? For safer design, for the safe design, one must consider the value of E, or the for the design strength of the should be at least 75% of that shaft without key. So this is general statement that we must write there. So at least we must consider the factor at least 0.75. So this completes a short 4 marks question based on the how the effect of keyway on the strength of the shaft. So this equation that we are not going to use anywhere in our numerical, because that type of numericals are not asked or never asked in last few question papers. So that means we must know what is the effect of keyway on strength of the shaft. So this completes our one more short bit here.